Do you like nuts in savoury food? I absolutely love them. Ground almonds in a korma, peanuts in a satay, and in this case, cashews in my sticky cashew chicken. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. For our sticky cashew chicken today, we've got chicken thighs fried up until they're lovely and crisp, and they're in a really tasty, sweet and savoury sauce with loads of cashews. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by coating the chicken. I've got 6 skinless, boneless chicken thighs here that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. I've put those into a bowl and we're going to add a small egg. Now mix that all together so it coats the chicken. And then if you've got any excess egg left over at the bottom of the bowl, you can drain it off. Next in goes 4 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch, half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper. Mix it all together so the chicken is thoroughly coated. So now we're going to fry the chicken off in about ½ inch of oil until it's lovely and crispy. Should take about 7 to 8 minutes. Now you might need to do this in 2 batches depending on the size of your pan. Don't worry if the chicken's sticking together as you put it into the oil. You can separate the chicken pieces with some tongs whilst it's cooking. While that chicken's cooking, we're going to make the sauce. To a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Now stir that all together until the cornflour is completely absorbed. Now we add in 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 120 ml or about ½ cup of chicken stock, and stir it all together again until combined. Turn the chicken to make sure it's lovely and golden on both sides. So that's the sauce done and the chicken's looking great too. Now we're going to transfer the chicken onto a plate lined with some kitchen paper just to absorb any excess oil, and then we'll discard the oil or we can use a fresh pan. Add the sauce we made earlier to the pan and bring it to a gentle bubble while stirring. It should thicken as it comes to the boil. If it's looking too thick, just add in an extra splash of chicken stock or water. Now add the crispy chicken back into the pan with the sauce, along with 140 grams, which is about 1 cup of cashew nuts, plus about ½ a bunch of spring onions that have been chopped on the diagonal. We're going to stir that all together so that lovely sauce completely coats the chicken and the cashews, and to heat the chicken back up again. I love to serve this over some fluffy boiled rice, topped off with a few more spring onions, some sesame seeds and some chilli flakes. And that's my sticky cashew chicken. If you like a little bit of sweet with your savoury, then why not try my sticky pork belly as well. See you next time.